This is a challenging bonus, which is why the result of this bonus will be 1 full point added on to your Essay 2. What this is a video presentation that you are going to offer that includes screenshots of evidence that you have found to support your claim that something happened and got started when. So think about a trend, a phenomenon that interests you, from the birth of rap to helicopter parenting. Take a look at the world from your point of view and wonder how something got started. Keep the focus narrow. For example, the popularity of helicopter parenting is a nice narrow focus. World War II, how that started, way too broad of a topic. However, the Nazi prison camps, when they all started, that is a narrow topic. Now go to Google and literally type the words helicopter parenting all started when and see what comes up. Fun fact, your opinion, as long as it is substantiated by facts, cannot be wrong. Why? Because with any theory, there are unlimited opinions. So this can be really fun. When you feel you have a handle on your opinion, start an easy bib project entitled It All Started When and begin documenting your sources. Don't worry, I have an example in the video below this one that shows me going through the process of completing this project. The video, when it's completed, will be as long as it needs to be. I would think you could make a point about helicopter parenting in maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes. A deeper topic might take longer, whatever it takes, but you're going to organize your argument, because I'm going to be on the other side saying, I don't think it started then. And you're going to go, well, you know what, my opinion is as good as any because I have these facts that support that I say this or that started when. Now then, you're going to keep all those windows of your research open, and I'm assuming that you can do this in a day. Now you're going to go to on the computer. You can't do this on the phone. And you've downloaded one of the many free screen capture programs. I use Screencast and Camtasia and Snagit by TechSmith. Google free software. You can go to Google and Google free screen capture software and share your findings with your cyber cafe. I bet you there's somebody in your cyber cafe that knows the best screen capture free software that you can find. And then you're going to create a visual argument for your theory. You'll record your voice while showing screenshots that support your views. And they're going to save that as an MP4. And somehow you're going to get that MP4 saved to your account in Canvas. Remember the tutorials where I show you, you go to your account, which is in the far left menu bar at the very tippy top. There should be your darling face, and under that is your account. And when you click on that, you will see My Files, and you would upload that MP4 from your desktop. Okay, so you have all the windows open, and you are going to start your eBay project. Let me show you mine. I created my project, and now there's my project, and as soon as I click on that, everything will be added to that project. It's super easy while I'm researching this little theory. I'm not going to go into like a 500-hour dissertation on this. I'm just going to come up with what I think to be true. So this is where I want to do to create my citations, and I'll show you that process. And then in the next video, I will show you my presentation. Let's say I'm going to do helicopter parenting, and you see where I type that into Google. And this is a little blurb that comes from Wikipedia, so that doesn't count, but it does give me a place to start to check that out. Okay, so then down here are some different articles, and I'm just going to see what I need to find. I only need 1 or 2 of these articles. I don't need a lot of information. I think an article that's going to tell me when it all started was this one, What is Helicopter Parenting? I'm just going to show you this real quick because as soon as I bring that up, and it's from a reputable site, I'm going to copy this, go over to my EasyBib project, create a citation. That's a website, paste, and find site. Found it. Continue. Complete. And that's all the information I had. So there we go. It's that easy. Do that every time I open up a page. Get a screen capture program and create my little video. You'll see my example below. And you'll get 1 full point for essay number 2. But your submission needs to include your video, which is your little theory, and your works cited. When you click submission on that page in Canvas, you will see a text box that comes up. You'll put your name, course information, date, and only the word count for the bibliography for the works cited. And then the next thing I'll see is your title. The next thing I'll see will be your video. And the next thing I will see will be your works cited. And then you click submit. Should be fun. That concludes this tutorial. We're going to roll back the clock to 1964 and a period of time in American music that was known as the British Invasion. It started with the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, and went on from there. On February 9th, 1960. And so your video will go. Click on the video below for the full video of mine about where the British invasion started. That concludes this tutorial.